Welcome back everyone. So today we are talking about how you can install Robo 3T. Okay, so Robo 3T is we are using Robo 3T setup 1.2. Okay, so let's do it. So first of all, open your Chrome browser and search here Robo 3T 1.2 download. Okay, so when you see the Robo 3T 1.2 and there are some links. Okay, I'll use here in this link, okay, the third link. Okay, now you can see this link, you can download from here. Okay, I have already downloaded the setup. Okay, so I'll just run it. Okay, you can see the setups here. Okay, so I'll just double click on it and run it. When you click on it, it will ask the permission. Okay, so say yes. Now you can see the wizard is come. Okay, so just click on next and then agree the terms and condition. Okay, so click on next and just install. Okay, the Robo 3T is installed successfully. Now you can see. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so it's installed successfully. Finish. Okay, you can see. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe the channel. Okay, bye.